Example, how to solve the projections of solids by using AutoCAD software. First, we'll go to AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Then go to limits, specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210. Then zoom all. Then go to line, select lower left corner of the sheet and click on the first button of the mouse and drag the cursor to the right side. Take some distance. Again click on the first button of the mouse and take the cursor to the top side. Again take some distance and click on first button of the mouse and then go to offset. Take the distance as 297. Select this vertical line and offset to the left side and take offset. Take the distance as 210. Select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zone extents and zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet between this vertical line and this horizontal line. Again fillet between this horizontal line and this vertical line and this vertical line and this horizontal line. Then go to zoom window, take the text, specify start point. You select some point and take the height as 4 and rotation angle as 0 and type the problem number 169. Next, the hexagonal lamina, hexagonal prism, 25 mm sides of base and 50 mm axis length. Rest on HP on one of its corners of its base such that the two base edges containing the corner on which it rests make equal inclinations with HP. Draw the projections. Draw the projections of the prism. When the axis of the prism is inclined to HP at 40 degrees and to VP at 30 degrees. Now then zoom previous, then go to zoom window. Then you select this and go to layer. Command is LA. Now we'll go to new layer. Click on new. Type the layer name by name XY. Then click on new. Type the layer name by name axis. Click on new. Type it as locus. Then click on new. Take it as invisible layer. Then enter. Click on new. Click on visible layer. Now we'll go to layer 0. Set the line weight of layer 0 as 0.05 and say OK. Set the layer name XY. Set the line weight of XY layer as 0.13 and say OK. Set the layer name by axis as line weight as 0.05. Then locus layer as 0.05 and say OK. Set the invisible layer line type as 0.3, line weight as 0.3. Visible layer as 0.5. Once you do that, then go to invisible layer line type. Click on load. Take it as hidden. Say OK. Click on hidden. Say OK. Then go to locus. Then click on load. Take it as dash dot and say OK. Click on dash dot and say OK. Click on axis. Go to load. Click on center. Say OK and type center and then say OK. And finally you exit the layer command. Then go to polygon. Take the number of sides as 6 and take the edge option. Take first endpoint of edge. You take this and take the distance as 25. Then go to line. Take INT of this and draw INT of this. Then similarly line INT of this and take INT of this. Then go to draw a horizontal line of some distance and go to take the offset distance as 50 mm. Then select this, go to CH. Then go to select this and take CH. Then go to select this and take CH command. then go to layer, click it as visible, and then switch on the line by display. Then go to off line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, int of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, int of this, then perpendicular to this. Then we extend this center line till here. Then go to break, select this and remove it. Then go to trim, select this and take this as the cutting edges, object to trim as this and object to trim as this, and similarly on these two sides. Then go to break, select this and break it here. Then break, select this first point int of this and say at the rate. Break first point int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point int of this and say at the rate. Now you select this and you select this and take this line, go to layer, make this as visible layer. Then you select this line, make this layer as axis and take this distance as 10. Then go to group command, type group, select this entire thing and make it as a group. Then go to copy, select this and copy it to the next position, and then go to rotate, select this and rotate this by an angle of -50. Then the angle will be rotated by 40 degrees. Then go to move, select this and move it nearer. Then go to line, type int of this and draw a horizontal line. Similarly line, int of this and draw horizontal line, and take line, int of this and draw a horizontal line. Now we take line int of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, int of this and draw PER to this. Then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two, and then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim as this. Then go to line, int of this and take int of this and take intersection part of this. Then go to line, int of this and take int of this and take intersection part of this. Then similarly line, int of this and take intersection part of this and take int of this. And go to line, take int of this and take int of this, take intersection point of this. Then go to break, select this first point int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point int of this and say at the rate. Now we apply the condition of visibility and invisibility. All the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible, and the surface nearer to the observer is visible, and the edge nearer to the observer is visible. So all these edges becomes visible. So you make this as visible lines. Then here click on this and then click on this and then click on this and click on this. Make these lines as invisible. And here the line type you're going to make it 10, or you make this as line type scale factor as 20. Then once you do that, then go to line, take int of this, draw a horizontal line, and take line int of this and draw a horizontal line. Then here, now we go to DDIM, then go to modify, click on primary units precision as up to second decimal point, text as 4, aligned with the dimension line, take above, take the distance as 3, go to symbols and arrows, arrow size as 4, then goes to lines, offset from the origin as 3 and say OK, and say close. Then go to dim horizontal, take intersection point of this and intersection point of this. So this will going to give you 38.30. Then go to line, take intersection of this at the rate of 100 less than minus 150 degrees. Then go to circle, take the nearest point and take the radius as 50. We're going to break a circle in anti-clockwise direction, and here also break this. Go to line, draw a locus line here, then go to circle, go to fillet, select between these two and remove this extra line. Then go to circle, take center of this and take the radius as 38.30. Then go to break, select this in the anti-clockwise direction and then erase it. Then you erase this also. Then go to group, select this entire thing and group it. Then go to copy, select this and take int of this line and take center of this. Then go to rotate, select this object and base point int of this, and now you take the reference as 180 degrees. Then you take intersection point of this, and so automatically then go to break, select this and now you select this line, go to layer, make this as locus layer and go to line type, take the distance as 10. Then go to move, select this entire thing, take this entire thing and move it down by switching off the ortho mode. You take it down and then again move previous, take this and place it wherever you want. Then go to ortho mode, then go to line, take int of this and draw the horizontal lines, take int of this and then go to line int of this, draw line int of this, and now you take line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to line int of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet, select between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to line int of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and take perpendicular to this. Now again go to line, take int of this and intersection point of this and take int of this. So we're going to take the bottom surface of the hexagon to be completed. Then go to line int of this, then go to int of this. Now we'll go for line, take int of this and draw horizontal lines. Now take line int of this, then go to line, take int of this and draw horizontal lines. Then take line int of this, then go to line int of this and draw a horizontal line. So here when you're taking up, then take this line int of this, so this intersection point will be here, take perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two, then go to line, take int of this, draw perpendicular to this, then go to line int of this, take perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two, then go to line int of this, draw perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two, then go to line, take int of this take perpendicular to this, then go to line int of this and take perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two, then go to line int of this and take perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two, then go to line, take int of this and int of this and take int of this and take intersection part of this, take int of this, then go to int of this, take int of this, then go to zoom window, then you take line int of this and take intersection part of this, then go to line int of this and take int of this, then go to line int of this, go to line, take int of this, take intersection point of this, then go to line, take end point of this and take end point of this, then go to end point of this and take end point of this, then go to line, take end point of this, then go to end point of this and take end point of this and take end point of this. Now once you do that, all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. Now you take zoom window, select this line and you select this line and you select this line, you select this line and you select this line and this line. So this is the boundaries of the solids. Then the surface near to the observer is visible. So which is the surface? That surface is this line, and the surface near to the observer is visible. And here you take this line and you take this edge which is also visible, make this as visible, then go to zoom window, select this line. So this line is crossing this, so obviously that will be invisible. Then go to line, you select this line, you select this line which is becomes invisible, then you take this line, again this will becomes invisible, then again this will becomes invisible, this will becomes invisible, and this line will becomes invisible. Then yes, so they to go to layer, make it as invisible and take the distance as 10 or 20. You make this as 20 and say accept. Then go to zoom previous, then go to zoom window, then go to select this line, you select this line, these two lines will be visible. Select this. So this is the boundary of the object. Once you get this, then you click on this, then go to layer, make that layer as axis layer, take the distance as 10. Once you do that, so this is how you will be able to get the drawing completed. Then go to layer, click on these two and make this layer as XY line. Now we will go for extend this line till here and then you break this line. Now you go to DDIM, then go to modify, go to primary units, make this as precision as 0 and say OK and say close. Then dim horizontal, take this and make dim aligned, take this line and take this distance as 50. Dim vertical, you take this distance as 50. Then go to dim angular, select this line and you select this line, this angle will be 40 degrees, you take this as 40 degrees. Then dim the textured dimension, you select this and take 40 degrees. And then dim angular, select this dim angular, select this line and this line, this will be 30 degrees. And dim angular, select between these two, then go to text. So here give space and enter, then here you type, take this as mtext, type MT, select this as the window, then you just click on symbol, take this as beta, small letter B, then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, take this and place it here. Text, go to text, click on caps lock on, type X, type VP, type HP, and here type Y, and now switch off the ortho caps lock, type A, B, C, D, E, and F, here O, and then in bracket O1. Now here you type P, bracket P, and here bracket Q, and here type bracket R, and type bracket S, and here you type bracket T, and here you type bracket U, and then you type A dash, then go to B dash, then C dash, then D dash, then E dash, then F dash, then O dash, then P dash, then Q dash, then R dash, then S dash, then T dash, then U dash, then O1 dash in bracket. Then go to zoom window, select this entire thing now, then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, then move X, VP, HP appropriately, and take A, and here P, then O, then O1, then B, then Q, then C, then R, then D, then S, then E, then T, then F, then U, then P dash, then Q dash, then U dash, then O1 dash, then R dash, then T dash, then S dash. Similarly, you take D dash, then C dash, then E dash, then O dash, then B dash, then F dash, then A dash. Then go to copy, select A dash and copy to the next position, then B dash. Here you copy this to F dash, then O dash, then C dash, then E dash, then D dash, then P dash, then Q dash, then U dash, then O1 dash, then R dash, then T dash, then S dash. Now here you copy. Now once you do that, then we go for the second one, which is D text. Here you type A, B, C, D, E, F, here O, then here P, Q, R, then in bracket small letter S, T, U, and here bracket O, then go to move, select P, then Q, then R, then S in bracket, then O1, then T, then U, then F, then E, then O, then B, then C, then D, then O. Now we go for copy. Select P, copy this P here, then Q, copy this Q here, then copy R here, then S, then O1 in bracket, then T, then U, then A, then B, C, then D, then E, then F. Now here, go to the text. Now we type here A dash, B dash, then C dash, then D dash, then E dash in bracket, then F dash in bracket, F dash, then here F dash is also in bracket, then O dash in bracket, then here we have P dash, so you take P dash, then Q dash, then R dash, then S dash, then T dash, then U dash, then O1 dash. Then here, then go to zoom window, select this, then go to move, take A dash, then B dash, then C dash, then O dash, then F dash, then E dash, then D dash, then P dash, then U dash, then Q dash, then O1 dash, then T dash, then S dash. So this is how you will be able to complete this. Then go to move, select Y and place it. So once you do that, then go to save, click on save, go to appropriate drive, E drive, go to AutoCAD, go to Solids Drawings and type P169, put the caps lock on, type P169 and save it, and finally you exit the